Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can easily scan a QR code on CapCut, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open your CapCut app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version because older version may not show the QR scanner option. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap on Me. Now look at the bottom left corner and you'll see a small QR code icon. Tap on that. As soon as you tap it, your camera will open. Now simply point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the full code fits inside the box. Once it scans, CapCut will automatically open on the other device. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.